Hi friends, hi everyone. Hope you are doing good. So today in this session we will discuss about the Safe 6.0 updates. A couple of days back, Scaled Agile Framework released its new version from 5.1 to 6.0. Let us quickly walk through the changes what Safe has come up with. Let us go to the Scaled Agile Framework. If you all know already about scaledagileframework.com. It's well and good. On the Safe Big Picture, if you click on here, what's new in Safe 6.0, it's a hyperlink. You click that, you'll be landing upon this page. So this change, I would say, it's a very big change considering the last version of Safe. Like the overall theme, if you see here, work differently and build the future. And you can watch this video by safe people there where they will talk a little bit more about what is the changes. So for me, if you look at it, it's very to the current happenings in the market, and because of the limitations earlier what we have, they try to address in this version. And largely they have divided this change into the six themes, I would say. The six, if you see here, 6.0 as six primary themes, like strengthening the foundation for business agility and empowering teams and clarifying responsibilities, accelerating value flow, enhancing business agility with safe across the business, building the future with ABC, AI, big data, and cloud, delivering better outcomes with measure and grow, and OKRs, object and key results. So, for example, personally, if you look at this accelerating value of flow at the team level, at the essential safe level, safe big picture always talks about earlier, talks about safe scrum. But if you see here, there is another framework or another type of agile framework they can follow. Usually, many service industries and operations industries, their teams follow, which is called as Kanban. Every one of us, so as agile coach, we will know what you call based on the type of work we teams are doing. We suggest either Scrum or Kanban. So if you see here, they have added safe team Kanban in the big picture itself, which is very need of the hour, I would say. And that flow is added at the each level, at the essential safe level, at the ART level, at the solution level, the portfolio level. If you see portfolio flow, solution tray flow, ART flow. Okay, let us go through. That's a major, personally, major big change for me. Let us go through the each and every changes little bit detail, because to cover all the changes, I think time would not sufficient. Maybe in future we can come up with more sessions based on the feedback. So if you come at look at the first one, strengthening the foundation for business agility, which is already there. Say predominantly talk about the business agility on its all courses, Safe Scrum Master, Safe Advanced Scrum Master, Leading Safe. If you take any Safe course, they start with the what is business agility. And in this version, they have strengthened by adding more relevant content, especially the operational value stream. If you look at this diagram, it says so from right from the business, where the business opportunity emerges and how it is delivered and leveraged. Okay, that's that's the change they are talking about, and they have added at the top. But if you click it here, click on the big picture, you will get more details. Okay. And if you see the lean thinking principles they have added here, if you see these are the another big change, I would say. Earlier, SAFe itself always says that lean agile mindset, right? So not just saying, they brought it the lean principles into the picture when compared to earlier version. You see the lean principles, six principles: precise, specify value by product, identify the value stream for each product, make value flow without interruptions, let the customer pull from the producer, and pursue perfection. So this is also very important to collect the flow of the at the teams level. If you see at the flow, we have flow at every level, right? So they're laying foundations to introduce, or actually what is flow about. They have laid foundations in the form of lean agile and lean thinking principles. And yeah, we can go into a little bit details there. And also the same principles they've updated in the just to resonate the flow here, make value flow without interruptions. Okay. And if you see this safe implementation roadmap, you can see some changes here also. They've talked about here. And empowering teams and clarifying responsibilities. If you see now, each and every role in the Scaled Agile framework, they have given different attributes, like what is that role about, or what predominantly that role talks about. For example, if you see the product owner, what is that exactly the product owner will do. We look at the example, where is the product owner? Or if you talk, if for example, if you take the Scrum Master and Team Coach, if you, this is a huge change again. Earlier Scrum Master, now we are calling it Scrum Master and Team Coach. Now, why this change? I would, in my opinion, like when they introduce flow part, the Kanban part, when certain teams follows the Kanban, they cannot call that their facilitator, or the person who is playing similar role like a Scrum Master. They cannot call it as a Scrum Master. We have seen a Kanban University saying, not recommending explicitly role service delivery manager or service request manager. So in order to give that clarity, not just only the Scrum, it's not only the one framework. So now they can added, they have added the terminology, new term, team coach, which makes much more sense now. For example, who the teams working in the flow management or the Kanban, they cannot call their role as a Scrum Master there, right? Then maybe team coach makes much more sense here. So if you see here, the what is Scrum Master and Team Coach is involved in improving agile release and performance, and he helps in facilitating PI planning. In he supports iteration execution, and he plays crucial role in improving flow, and he helps team becoming high performing. So for like this, for all the roles, for the product owner, epic owner, enterprise architecture, solution train engineer, they have given more pictorial information on their responsibilities, which is very much important and good to know when we have multiple roles and thinking about their accountability. Okay, so that is another change as a part of the empowering teams and clarifying the responsibilities. So third theme is accelerating value theme, which I talked already in the beginning, right? So now this is very much about Kanban, the flow management. They've updated safe principle number 6, right? And if you see the Kanban, the flow management, work in progress, and bottlenecks, policies, handoffs, batch size, WIP limits, feedback queue, explicit policies. This is all, if you see the Kanban University, the practices, uh, all these covers, they have taken or, included in the SAFE now, which is, I would say, very important. Not all the teams can work on single framework like Scrum, right? So if you see, these are the, again, the practices, the visualize and limit WIP, address bottlenecks, minimize handoffs and dependencies, get faster feedback, and work in smaller batches, reduce the queue length, optimize the time in the zone, and remediate legacy policies and practices. So with this, now more or less we have seen the different analogies or recommendations in the market. Some teams purely work on Scrum, some teams purely work on Kanban, some teams they will mix, which is called a Scrum ban, where Scrum is predominant. They'll use this WIP limits and board on lighter weight, which is called a Scrum ban, and Can Scrum, where largely use their Scrum and then Kanban and then Scrum on light note. So Can Scrum. So the idea is not one framework will fit for everybody. So now that is where the Safe now really addressed that point, and they brought this flow working style into the picture, which is much more making sense for me as well. As I said, the flow is now at each level, the team level, or program, or IIT level, solution level, and portfolio level. And what is that flow means, like how the work is coming and how we are delivering. You have in our Jira or Rally, we have the epics coming and the strategic themes coming, right? So there is proper challenged work and it will be delivered. So that will be seen at the each level, the team level, at the level, solution level, and the portfolio level. Okay. So as I said, yeah, safe team Kanban, safe Scrum. So if you see the Kanban method overview, you can see here how they can map it to the existing safe ceremonies like PA planning and then the system demos, retrospectives, and all. And this one we pretty much know about from the beginning, like safe Scrum cycle and built-in quality. Also they have added more content on here, especially from the hardware point of view. Okay. And yeah, this is, you can see more details on that. And the fourth theme is enhance the business agility with safe across the business. So now if you see the business agility is not with the one BU or one program or one solution, right? It should be at the end to end at the enterprise level. And how we need to sync, and how we need to work together. They have added more content in the sense, like if you see the agile executive team, okay, they have executive team level, they form a team now, and then they'll try to leverage or try to sync at the enterprise level. And agile business function and agile business train, business enabled ART, command portfolio. These are the recommendations now, where they will help to bring more business agility. When compared to earlier versions, they've told what is business agility, why they've told, but how and what we can do is this is the place where we can look at. And if you come at with the fifth theme, building the future with AI, big data, and cloud, ABC, right? Of course, there is a D also, DevOps, which already they have included in the previous versions of the same. So yes, we all know, right? Everything now with the ABC, and what Safe is recommending, how we can include the ABC into this, the framework. They have added little bit more content here, not just saying as a part of one practice or some note, but they have really included content here. And the last one, deliver better outcomes with measure and grow and OKRs. This very resonating with my current context as well, because now see in PA planning, we will say PI objectives, right? And then iteration planning, iteration goal, and all. So now where we this measure and grow comes with here is a lot of the content on the emphasis on the outcomes rather than the output, right? And also, if you see, like we already know about, now people are moving from the projects to products, and output to outcomes. So how we can really move towards that, they have added in this theme, which is part of measure and grow. The OKRs. Now, if you see from teams at the essential level to the portfolio level, there is a connectivity between the OKRs. What that OKR means to team, what is the team level OKR, what is the program level or ART level OKRs, and then portfolio level. So we will talk in all same language. Whatever the top level leadership is saying, some objective that easily break down and connected to the team level. That's more. That's what I am seeing. That's a big change, and which is you know if you see they have added this information on the palettes. Let us go through the and also the some standardized ART terminology they have done here. You can look at it. A standardized solution terminology and the all levels they have standardized this. Let us go through the Scaled Agile Framework website where you can know the just a second. Yeah, if you how do we upgrade from say 5.0 to 6.1? This is the home page. When you log in with your safe credentials, you can see this page, and when you click it on the home and go to click on the home, you can find this. You land up on this page. Again, when you say the one second, learn my learning, you can see here I have completed right. Say 6.0 expert upgrade. So basically, when you go to the home page on the top itself, you will be getting it. Since I have already done, it's not getting for me, but usually you will have upgrade 5.0 to 6.1. And when you go to that, the learning, it's around 2 hours, I guess. We show what all it has got. So whatever we discussed, the six themes, right? They will discuss little bit in detail and on all the themes. What is the big picture update and terminology, and what all the six themes they will discuss in detail. We have both video and theory. The content you can read or you can see the videos, and at the end of the each section they have small exercise wherein after passing that quiz or exercise, you will be moved to the next section. And at the end, you have the safe 6 point expert upgrade quiz, where is you have 20 questions and multiple attempts. But the tricky part is you should get 100%, not just 75 or 80%. You have to answer 20 questions correctly, and you can take a number of attempts. For me, I took around two second attempt. That's more of if you closely concentrate on these videos, it's a very easy exam. And after passing the exam, you will get the updated badge, maybe scaled up. No, you'll get the mail and what's up? See, yeah, if you see here, I just posted my yeah some. So yeah, six safe FPC certified. So with this one upgrade, whatever certificates you have under safe, like for example, safe advanced scrum master, other certification, they'll also automatically upgraded, and you will be getting the updated badge. Okay. Now like how shown SPC 6.0 badge. Similarly for SASM, SSM, leading safe agilist, all for all the other certifications, you will getting the update. Only one upgrade is needed, and you will be automatically all other credentials also gets updated. So that is pretty much about the update. We can have a little bit more detailed discussion maybe in future based on the feedback. Yeah, any questions you can reach out to me and we can discuss. Thank you very much and have a good day.